Hey everyone, today we're diving into a topic that might just change the way you think about dieting and weight loss. Have you ever wondered if cheat meals could actually help you shed fat faster? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, stick around because in this video, we're going to explore exactly how cheat meals can boost your fat loss journey, how you can incorporate them without derailing your progress, and share some real-life success stories that will blow your mind. Imagine this, you've been on a strict diet for weeks, and you're starting to feel the strain. You're craving your favorite foods, and the thought of another salad makes you want to scream. But what if I told you that indulging in a cheat meal could actually help you lose weight faster? Yes, you heard that right. Cheat meals, when done correctly, can be a powerful tool in your fat loss arsenal. Let's start with the first big question. How do cheat meals help shed fat faster? To answer this, let me tell you a story about my friend Rishi. Rishi was on a mission to lose 20 pounds before his best friend's wedding. He followed a strict diet and exercise routine, but after a few weeks, he hit a plateau. No matter what he did, the scale wouldn't budge. Frustrated, he decided to have a cheat meal, a big, juicy burger with fries. The next day, he was shocked to see that he had lost a pound. How was this possible? The science behind cheat meals is fascinating. When you're on a calorie-restricted diet, your metabolism can slow down as your body tries to conserve energy. This is where cheat meals come in. By temporarily increasing your calorie intake, you can give your metabolism a much-needed boost. This process, known as diet-induced thermogenesis, can help you burn more calories even when you're not exercising. Additionally, cheat meals can help regulate hormones like leptin and ghrelin, which control hunger and satiety. By keeping these hormones in check, cheat meals can prevent your body from going into starvation mode and help you continue losing weight. Leptin is often referred to as the satiety hormone. It's produced by fat cells and helps regulate energy balance by inhibiting hunger. When you're on a calorie-restricted diet, leptin levels can drop, leading to increased hunger and a slower metabolism. A cheat meal can temporarily boost leptin levels, helping to reduce hunger and increase energy expenditure. Ghrelin, on the other hand, is known as the hunger hormone. It stimulates appetite and promotes fat storage. Cheat meals can help keep ghrelin levels in check, preventing excessive hunger and overeating. Another important aspect of cheat meals is their psychological benefits. Dieting can be mentally exhausting, and constantly depriving yourself of your favorite foods can lead to feelings of frustration and deprivation. Cheat meals provide a mental break from the rigors of dieting, allowing you to enjoy your favorite foods without guilt. This can help improve adherence to your diet in the long run, as you're less likely to feel deprived and more likely to stick to your plan. Now, let's move on to the next question. How can you incorporate cheat meals without derailing your progress? Rishi's story doesn't end with just one cheat meal. He realized that strategically planning his cheat meals could help him stay on track and avoid the dreaded plateau. Here is how he did it. First, Rishi decided to have one cheat meal per week. This allowed him to satisfy his cravings without overindulging. He also made sure to choose his cheat meals wisely. Instead of going for high-sugar, high-fat junk food, he opted for healthier indulgences like a homemade pizza with a whole grain crust and lots of veggies. Portion control was key. He enjoyed his cheat meal but didn't go overboard. By planning his cheat meals in advance, he was able to stay focused on his goals and avoid impulsive eating. If you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you get notified whenever I put up a new information-packed video. Rishi's strategy worked wonders for him. He not only broke through his weight loss plateau, but also found that he was more motivated to stick to his diet during the week, knowing he had a cheat meal to look forward to. Now, let me ask you, have you ever tried incorporating cheat meals into your diet? If so, how did it work for you? Let me know in the comments below. In conclusion, cheat meals can be a powerful tool for shedding fat faster when trying to lose weight. By understanding the science behind them, strategically incorporating them into your diet, and learning from real-life success stories, you can make cheat meals work for you. Here are some actionable steps you can take. Plan your cheat meals in advance. Choose one meal per week in which you can indulge in your favorite foods without going overboard. Opt for healthier indulgences. Instead of high sugar, high fat junk food, choose cheat meals that are still nutritious but satisfy your cravings. Practice portion control. Enjoy your cheat meal, but don't let it turn into a cheat day. Listen to your body. Pay attention to how your body responds to cheat meals and adjust your strategy as needed. Remember, the key to successful weight loss is balance and consistency. Cheat meals can help you stay motivated and prevent plateaus, but they should be part of an overall healthy lifestyle. If you liked this video, then I recommend that you watch this video next. See you in the next one.